Well, greetings all. We are back on the road once again. We're departing our Nevada desert camp. We were there for a good solid couple weeks, so it is time to move on and find a new camp. Probably settle down somewhere for another couple weeks, enjoying the nice weather. So we're just gonna sit back and enjoy the ride. Away we go. Well, it's been a very pleasant drive, not much traffic at all. We go by the north end of Las Vegas and there really wasn't much traffic. It was backed up going the other way, but smooth sailing on my end. We are now making our way into the Valley of Fire State Park. The clouds started breaking up, seeing some blue sky up there. Well, that red rock is pretty stunning. I don't believe I have been here before. I have done red rocks, which passed on the way up here, but I don't think I've been to the state park here, Valley of Fire. Red rocks is pretty similar. There's a lot of this just vibrant red. I'm just going to be staying a night here. Kelly actually has a friend that was doing a trade show in Vegas. She's out from New York. A friend we visited when we were in New York a few years back. So she's at the tail end of her doing a trade show. She's going to fly out of Vegas, so come up here for a couple nights. This is a very popular campground, so it's booked up. There are places to camp for free just outside of the park, but her friend wasn't really up for doing any dry camping, so spend the night here. What am I looking for? Site 8, 14. Ooh, pretty tight in here. Wow, this is cool. Like right in these rocks. Oh, I think that might be us here. Boy, they put the reserve signs right over the numbers, so you can't see. Well, here we are. This is pretty cool. Got backed into the site here. Kelly and her friend should be arriving shortly. It is a cozy little campground. You know me, I usually don't do campgrounds. It'll be nice for a little overnight here. Get out tomorrow and check the park out. Pretty neat. Backed right into this rock here.